get them all mixed up here.
I can roll it.
Yeah, give her a roll. Let's get her all mixed up. We gotta make this fair.
Welcome back. You're gonna trike kit away today, huh?
I'm pretty pumped on that, man.
Dude, one of many. This is only the beginning.
I don't think they expected to see you in a Santa suit.
I wish the mustache would have stayed on.
I am gonna insert clips of you getting dressed because that shit was hilarious. We're giving a trike kit away.
Trike kit and a few other little things.
Yes, we're gonna surprise everybody. I think all Santas should ride in on a CRF 110. I think it's only right. Hat.
Here's your hat, Santa.
Fast as fuck, boy.
You lost your hat? You're going so fast. You in what, like 8th gear? Dude, you're flying out there. Hell yeah. Dude, I like when you're weaving through the cones. Dude, we're so festive today, it's not even funny.
That was the reindeer games.
Yeah, I know, right? God damn. I'm bringing it tomorrow, and some shenanigans are happening with the Big Red tomorrow. I'm having some good feelings about it.
See if anyone can guess what we're doing.
You guys gotta guess. Comment below if you think you know what we're doing with the Big Red tomorrow. It involves this man right here, and all of these guys. Now I know by this point in the video, you guys are like, let's just get to the giveaway, but we're just having some fun. We're trying to be festive, get you guys amped up. We're excited. Based on all the response we had on the first giveaway, which was this trike kit, we're gonna do many more. So you guys just stay tuned for updates, and we're gonna be posting all about that stuff. It's a good picture. You excited to see who wins?
I am.
I'm super pumped. Cool guys, let's go back inside and let's pick a winner, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Let's get some shit away.
All right, so.
Everyone waited long enough, right? There goes the man. He's on a mission, ready to give some kits away. All right, guys, just to be transparent, I'm gonna show you guys how many entries we had, how many tickets were actually purchased, and how we're gonna do this draw. We had 188 tickets issued because more than, well, most of you guys actually doubled up on entry. So we got all the names in the Word document here. Just gonna move real fast here so this isn't too boring. Printing them out and cutting them up. Got Bobby Withrow right here, got 2 entries. So a bunch of guys did more than 1 entry. So we're gonna get them all cut up. We're gonna pull the name out and see who won this trike kit. What is going on here today?
I'm playing Santa.
You're Santa today.
I am Santa today.
We're giving stuff away.
We're giving stuff away. I'm in the holiday spirit.
Absolutely. Drew, we got that for you. Pretty excited about it.
What we're gonna have you do is we're gonna have you get on all fours and you're gonna sit. You're gonna sit in front of the all fours in front of the trike in the reindeer. All right.
Let's go, Alex. We gotta do this giveaway here. Everyone's excited. They want to know who won. Everything's fine, Alex.
It's all just fine.
Fits you just fine. So there's no better way to choose some winners than to put them inside a tire. So we got all of them right there. You guys saw that in the last clip. Put them in the tire. Let's get them all mixed up here.
I can roll it.
Yeah, give her a roll. Wheel that thing around the shop. Let's get her all mixed up. We gotta make this fair. We're trying to be creative, guys. This is all we got today. That's pretty damn fair, honestly. All right.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Oh, welcome back.
So let's pick a winner. It's so loud in this shop, but it's okay. So we already spun that thing up. I want you to move your hand around, shake it up some more.
Oh, my mustache is falling. What do we got?
Hold it up to the camera.
Justin Brewer.
Whoa.
There goes the mustache.
Justin Brewer, you won a standard trike kit.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. BVCtrikes.com, get our info. Email us, bvctrikes@gmail.com. Okay, so you want to rate on that trike kit, standard trike kit? Because we're doing a couple more giveaways.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay, so give that thing a spin again. Give that thing a spinny. Love it.
Up high. Down low.
All right, so before you name it, what are we giving away? $100 gift certificate to the site?
$100 gift certificate to the site.
All right, what do we got?
I'm gonna butcher your name. I'm sorry. Milan Dewish.
Okay, $100 gift certificate to bbctrikes.com. All right, let's do another person.
Yeah.
All right, Alex, one more person.
Wait, what are we giving away?
We'll do $50 on this one.
$50 to Cheryl Hatch.
Cheryl Hatch, $50 to our website, bbctrikes.com. Right, $50. How many was that? That's the third one, right?
Yep.
All right, let's keep going. Next one will be $25
$25
to the website.
to Carrie Sutherland.
All right, Carrie Sutherland, you got $25 gift ticket to bbctrikes.com.
That makes the next one 25.
I'll give the next one 25. Why not? Here we
I
go.
thought you were a welder, Drew.
Yeah.
I'll make you good at it for Christmas.
Am I on the naughty list?
You're on my naughty list.
Another $25.
To Jason Epicet.
All right, man.
Epicet.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get roasted in the comments.
you were
for this.
butchering the names today.
Yeah, it's fine.
Another $25.
At least I'm not throwing names out of a tire.
Cool, man. Well, that's it for this one. Shit, that went really well, honestly. Yeah, we're gonna do another giveaway soon, so stay tuned for the next video. And yeah, we're gonna have another video tomorrow. We're gonna give some more stuff away.
Should I dress up as Santa for the next one too?
I think so.
Or just dress up as Santa for all our giveaways?
Yeah, and a reindeer. So if you guys can guess what we're doing in the next video, comment. Maybe we'll give you some prizes for that. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. So how do you feel? You gave away your first trike kit.
I feel great.
It's a good time, right?
It's a good time.
John's over here getting ready to go for the next batch of parts.
Okay.
So we're gonna get, yeah, we're not gonna tell everybody what we're doing tomorrow, but
Okay.
it's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day. Yep, that was fun.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Thanks for the support.
If anyone has one of these bikes, dude, definitely got a kit for that. That is sick. It's so smooth.
Look at him being,
I don't know, dude. That's
look at him being a salesman. So guys, again, Saturn trike kit that whoever won, triple clamps, front hub, foot peg, swing arm, subframe intake. And yeah, hit us up. This is sick. Feels good to give stuff away. See you guys in the next video. We'll be back tomorrow with some more shenanigans.
Yep.